Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Uh, in the starting, I am introducing myself. My name is Sandeep Kumar Jain and I have 11-year experience in WordPress plugin theme development. And now today in this video, I am explaining about uh, custom radio button for WooCommerce variation. So as if you see in the simple variation, we can see only these settings like select button option blue, gray, green, but it is not looking good. So for change these, we are using radio button. So in this video you will learn replace drop down with radio button for product variation and add dynamic description for that change based on selected option, like if we have these options selected, then description is here, so we can also show these options at here also. So for that, now okay, I think I already explained about it. And for setup, WooCommerce must be installed and active, and use child theme or custom plugin for modification. So for currently I am using custom WooCommerce plugin for demonstration. And now let's jump to our coding. And we are using WooCommerce dropdown variation attribute option HTML filter for it. This filter for it, and inside that I am using custom radio button variation, and I use 99 because I want to run this function in the last, so I add 99. And as you are seeing this as I just created reduce a div class custom variation reduce, and inside that I also add counter so that I can check all data. Before that I just demonstrating what I am talking. So creating activating my plugin at here. Now as you seeing, it is changed. Why it is checked at here? Because I use this as counter triple equal to 2, means from starting 0 and it is 2, so in the last. And at here I just use variation ID and variation description at here. And at here I just create radio input type radio and name, and term slug at here, and name equal to name and value equal to term slug. And if not empty variation description, then I just use description at here and then counter plus plus. And this I use for individual product attribute, like at here, if you are seeing that I use this from these attributes like color attribute, size attribute, etc., or any other attribute which created at here. If anyone use uh, some attribute from here, like create from here, in place of existing create from here, then this code will run. And then HTML returned as HTML reduce and description. So for that I use CSS and JS file also. You can also modify CSS and JS file. I just add simple CSS and JS file for it, like simple CSS file. There is no fancy CSS, but you can yeah, you can also modify this CSS file. And if I talk about JS, then I add simple GSS. uh, I created two function, sync radio with select and toggle variation description. And on change I just edit it here. And if anyone like on the when page load, then it is trigger this function called, and on change this function again called. So it is very simple CSS, a simple JS for it. And I already explained about it. And fetch variation description dynamically. If you see this lorem green, lorem gray, lorem blue, etc., are coming, and also prices changing dynamically. Also I also explain about JavaScript for it, also explain about CSS. And uh, we also explain about functionality. So it is looking good, it is looking very good or better than old structure. And if you have any WooCommerce store, or in want to change something, or want custom code, etc., then please contact me. My contact number is 8287660417, and email ID is mr.sandeep@gmail.com. And I also add my contact number in the description, so you can connect at there also. And let me know if you have any question regarding it. And please like, subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.